everybody. Today, let's talk about a speech. It's about Republic Day. So, hello everyone. Today is a very special day for India. And Saachi is back. Special day for India. It is Republic Day. On this day, in 1950, India became Republic, which means that the people of India have the power to choose their own leaders and make their own laws. It's a day to celebrate our freedom and remember all of the brave men and women who fought for our country. We also remember and honor our national leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi and Chacha Nehru, who worked hard to make India a republic. Let's take a moment to be grateful for the freedom we have and the sacrifice we made for it. Happy Republic Day!